Welcome back to Yummy with Mummy. Today we'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make masala prawns curry. As you can see here, we have 2 pounds of prawns. We'll be starting off by adding half a cup of oil to the pan, which is already hot, followed by adding in 2 sliced up onions in full, which looks like this. So that's 2 full onions that have been sliced up. We'll be adding that into the pan. And we'll be leaving this to cook until it becomes a crispy brown texture. This is what the onions look like after we had them on the pan frying for at least about 7 to 10 minutes. And this is the kind of color you want to be aiming for. And we'll now be adding in 2 whole tomatoes into this mix, gently stirring everything. So we're now ready to add in more ingredients. We'll be adding in a teaspoon of garlic paste, followed by a teaspoon of green chilies, followed by a teaspoon of dana jeera powder, a teaspoon of dhania powder. By the way, all of these spices you can find at your local Indian supermarket. We'll be adding in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. We'll mix all of this up. And we'll also be adding in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we will mix this all up and let it cook for 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like after we've let it cook for approximately 10 minutes, making sure to stir every so often. We'll be adding in a teaspoon of salt, followed by half a freshly squeezed lemon. And now we're ready to add in our prawns. So we added in the full 2 pounds. And we'll also add in a full bunch of coriander leaves. And we'll let this cook for approximately 15 minutes, making sure to stir every so often. So it's been about 15 minutes and we'll now be adding 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And we will stir this up and let it cook for another 5 more minutes, at which point we will take it out and we'll show you what it looks like when it's ready to serve. So this is what the final product looks like, and this dish you can enjoy with rice, paratha or naan. Try it out and leave a comment letting us know how it went. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell notification icon to get notified for future videos. We'll see you in the next video.